asunto-osakeyhtiö Vaasalla.
That's also amazing. Nobody's coming.
Yeah.
Today on the 18th of September 2023, here's Vaasankatu, Vaasankatu 23. The only stake is in this residential building. It's labeled with A, but that stake is like A is unnecessary.
Yeah.
It's the only one here. But the elevator was replaced in 1966 by ValmetSchlieren. Was there any original here? I don't know if there was originally anything.
Yeah, I think it was added later. Yeah.
Turned 55, sold in 2021. The Simpress VS1113, quite a fun serial number.
Yeah.
It's going to be expected in 2025. I love this one.
Same here.
Let's take two rides here. It's also here in Alppi, har du Alppi, Helsinki, Svars, Vaasankatu, Finland, close to the Sören and the Sörnäs metro station. But they might have built a space for the shaft, but the elevator was added later.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's possible.
Dit bara liftinstått att med en pass på en hissi.
I also love the sounds in here.
Same.
That's it, thank you very much for watching.
That's